If you're experiencing connection errors while playing FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to improve your online experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate connection issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions in service. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing the likelihood of errors. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service (QoS) to prioritize gaming traffic. You can also try changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 for improved performance. Step 5. Check for server status. Before playing, check the official FIFA server status to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce connection errors in FIFA 24 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.